In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure and use the email to Dropbox feature. This handy feature allows you to save email attachments directly to your Dropbox, making file management a breeze. Let's dive in and get you all set up. First, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account, which you can do by heading over to dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see your avatar, which might be your profile picture or just your initials depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking your avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a tab labeled Features. Give that a click and scroll through until you find the section marked Email to Dropbox. Once you spot Email to Dropbox, next to it you'll see a button labeled Set Up. Click on it. A new window will then pop up, prompting you to create an email address. Click on that option. Dropbox will now generate a unique email address just for you. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize it because our next step is to press copy next to this email address. This makes it easy to paste somewhere you'll remember, like a notes app or document. Once you've copied your unique Dropbox email address, you can complete this setup process by clicking Done. Now you're all set to start using this feature. Whenever you receive an email with an attachment that you want to store in your Dropbox, all you need to do is forward that email to the special email address Dropbox created for you. The magic happens automatically. As soon as you send an email to this address, any attachments will be saved directly into your Dropbox. These files are organized into a folder aptly named Email Attachments. It's conveniently located within your Dropbox account. To find it, simply navigate to All Files. By accessing the Email Attachments folder, you'll see all the files you've sent over, making it an incredibly efficient way to manage an influx of attachments. Not only does this save time, but it also keeps your important files secure and easy to access. And that's it! With these quick steps, the Email to Dropbox feature is configured and ready to use, making your digital life that much more streamlined. Enjoy the convenience of automatically backing up your email attachments to Dropbox.